Court Uncut, what the people want.
Louis Flores, who's the attorney?
Judge, we're just here for sentencing. I think there was a restitution issue that needed to be cleared up.
All right, and has that been cleared up?
She notified, I don't know what the answer was.
Okay.
For you.
Hey, Judge,
Hi.
I did reach out to the complainant. She did tell me she would take the vehicle for an inspection, but since hasn't gotten back to us.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 008012 State versus Luis Flores. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Steve?
Robert Gallagher for the defendant.
Louis Flores.
We are here for sentencing. You entered a plea on September 2025. You entered a plea of guilty. And the reason for the late date of sentencing is because I believe the state, you need to get some information with regards to restitution.
Judge,
And what are the results?
the results of that, Judge, are that we would be waiving restitution. The complainant hasn't given us a definite.
Then the next thing we need to address is the TAP evaluation. Have both parties had a chance to review the TAP evaluation?
Have not, Judge.
All right. Counsel, do you want to address the results of the TAP evaluation? They're recommending inpatient treatment.
Yes, Judge, and I'd ask this court to give him a chance to try outpatient first. See if he can do what he said he's intending on doing in exchange for your probation.
All right, my issue is that this is a DWI with a child under 15, major accident. The reason why he doesn't have any restitution is because no restitution has been provided. So he is either going to end up going, based upon the TAP evaluation, he's either going to end up going to SATF or either he's going to be in the felony drug court. And what I can tell you is that it is rare that out of the gate TAP evaluation, TAP recommends inpatient treatment.
Okay.
So you're going into custody today. And what I can tell you is that felony drug court will put in the request for a referral to felony drug court. They'll have him interviewed before the week is out. But you need to be honest with them about your alcohol issues. If you're not honest with them, you know what's going to end up happening. They're not going to accept you into the program. And then you're going to end up going to SATF because that's what TAP says. Felony drug court is an intensive program, but it's a great program. Okay. All right. This is what the court is states. You may be excused. All right. As previously stated, the court found you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's to be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition of probation. There's a referral to felony drug court. That's to be done in custody. If not accepted to felony drug court, then it will be SATF. There's to be $60 restitution to DPS for testing. There's to be no restitution. Ignition interlock for half the term. DWI intervention, VIP live, 2-year license suspension, 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 of those hours will be waived upon completion of parenting class. The remaining hours, for every sober support meeting you do, an hour will be deducted from your community service restitution.
Judge, when you're done, he has a request.
All right. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Yes, you had a request.
Yes, ma'am. My wife's legally blind right now, ma'am, and I'm the only one to help her with the kids. We don't got no support, ma'am. I don't know how she's gonna do it. I mean,
Mhm.
I'm the sole provider of the household, ma'am.
I understand that, and I understand what you're saying, and I want you to know that the problem, though, is that you're not a help to her or to a help to the children if you have an alcohol problem. And I mean, that's why we're here. And I don't know if you've read the police report recently, but the police report is very bad. And you were extremely intoxicated. And easily, your child could have been killed or you could have killed someone else. So you're not of help with that. And I don't know the reason for your drinking to intoxication. I don't know if because you have a lot on you. I understand. You have a lot on you taking care of the children, a lot of you taking care of the wife, a lot on you with work. And maybe that's why you're self-medicating, but you're not going to be any good to them if you continue on this route, because either you're going to end up having some kind of alcohol related to disease, or either next time you're going to be driving and you're going to kill somebody and then you'll be going to prison potentially. So what you need to do is you need to be 100% honest with felony drug court. As I said, today is Monday. They'll see him before the week is out. I'm going to get the request from Miss Abrams. Probably within 5 minutes, I'm going to sign it, and she's going to email them and let them know to do an expedited one.
Appreciate it, Judge.
Right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal? All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. And counsel, I'll make sure that they're aware of his situation and to do it expeditiously.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
You can now become a member of Court Uncut, where you get early access to videos, exclusive member-only content, a Court Uncut badge, and more. Thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.